Yeah, let's just go to the Dollar Tree and see what is there. Looking at the Valentine's decor they have. These are small gift bag. We have all the Valentine signs, the love sign, the hat. Yeah, all the Valentine's decor. I think this is a backsplash. Oh, this is kind of cute. Some of the hats that are here. Oh, this is good. Be my Valentine. This is cute. Go look over here. These are all the candies. We have the Valentine. Let's look at the organizing section. Lots of, if you haven't a movie, have popcorn bowl. You got it all in white. The organizing bin. We have them in black also, and also in gray. These are all little baskets. You could organize your pantry or your closet. We're gonna look at some storage. We have this containers. This is storage bins. Yeah, we have the fabric refreshener. I guess this is almost like the Fabri's dryer sheets. We got cleaning products, Oxy. Oh, this is the laundry booster. Like you get them like the Downy, is it Downy? Yeah. I have used these. It smells really, really, really good. Then we have all the glass cleaner, floor cleaner. Guys, the Dollar Tree is your one-stop toilet room cleaner. This cream cleaner, these are very, very good. I normally use them on my stovetop to clean it. They're very, very good. You have dishwashing liquid. I think one time, oh, they got Dawn also here. They have the Dawn also with the Oxy and also Palmolive. So you could get all your dishwashing liquid, and trust me, they are $1.75, and the Dawn, I think it's $3 for it. Dawn Oxy. Also, there's lots of different air fresheners. And here we have some storage, some containers. Yeah. Baby Fresh air freshener. And here we have some books for books, coloring books for kids. Now I'm in the kitchen section, all the kitchen towels and pot holders. Oh, this is pretty. This is pretty. Also this one. Try to take a bit. It's pretty. Life happens coffee house. This one is pretty. Kitchen towels. Keep life simple. This is they have some pretty lovely dishes there. Look at this plate. This is really pretty. Also these ones, they have these bowls. Pretty much pretty. Oh, the red one for Valentine. You got a plate, red and white, or you can get it all in red with the bowl and the mugs to set your table for Valentine. There's some pretty mugs here. Everything is better with coffee. Then you can get your initials, like whatever your name, your initials. Some mugs are they have some pretty nice canister set there. Storage. Mason jars. So pretty much, guys, you could get organizing items, whatever you need at the Dollar Tree. You pretty much get all of it. Body care, body wash, spa soap. All your body care products. You could get like bar soap and spring. All your body care you could get. There are some good organizing stuff for your bathroom or your kitchen. For your makeup. We have loads of hair brushes and comb for hygiene and everything. So guys, just walking you through what the Dollar Tree has. You could get like products for your kitchen, household, your body care, whatever you need, you could get it from the Dollar Tree. So